Hello, Wylie parents. I am here to help you set up your observer role for your Wylie student on Canvas. If you haven't yet registered for our Canvas, our DCS Canvas support course, please do that. I'll show you how to do that here as well. First, you're going to start on your Dexter Schools site. If you go to Parents and down to Remote Learning, you can scroll right to Canvas Login. The easiest way to set up your observer role is to first log in to your child's account. Once you're in your child's account, you can go to their account right over here on their navigation settings. Go down to Settings and click here with Pair with Observer. Once you pair with your observer, you can copy this code and log out of your child's account. Once you're logged out of your child's account, you can create your own account by right up here clicking Parent of a Canvas User. You'll type in your name, your email, a password, re-enter your password, and then here is where you will paste that code I just showed you how to get. Once you agree to the terms, you can start pairing. Once I log in, I can see the different courses that my child is taking. If I come to here, or if I come over here, I have my account. This is where I can set up my account. I can set up any notification alerts. I can set up any settings about myself and create a profile. My dashboard will take me right back to this page. Course will list all of the courses my child is a part of. My calendar will show me any assignments that my child might have coming up. My inbox is where I can easily email and be in communication with my child's teacher. And here's my help menu. Whenever I need help, that's where I'm going to go. I'm going back to my dashboard right now. And right over here where it says coming up, your child's assignments that are coming up for the week will be listed right here. You'll be able to view any of your child's grades right here as well. And then you can even go into each of your child's cards or courses to see what their assignments might look like. This is what your child's page looks like to them if you click their morning meeting, which is what we'll start the year with. You can actually see what their assignments are. So here, if this says class norms, click here to today's lessons, and this is the assignment that your child submitted. Now, I'm going to return to this Dexter page here. I already used this Canvas login, but if you scroll down, each of these tabs have important information for each of your child, or for each of our school's distance learning platforms. If you go to Wylie Homeroom, this is where you'll find this video, other videos that will help you launch your year, and there will be a course that you can take as well right here. So a quick Canvas course for parents. If you click that and press enroll, you can start a course to get to know your Canvas observer role a little bit better. Once you've completed that, when you have more questions, please feel free to go to your teacher or your child's teacher, and your child's teacher will point you in the right direction if they are not able to answer the question themselves. Thank you so much. We cannot wait to start this year with you. Go Dreads.